Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to fix Monopoly Go not loading. So if you're having issues with your Monopoly Go and it is not loading, so there might be some steps in here that would be helpful to you so that you could fix this. So for the first step is to head onto your app store, try to search in there Monopoly Go onto the search bar. So we'll need to locate the Monopoly Go app game in here and try to check if it is showing update in there. So if it's showing update, then you need to update the app since that might sometimes cause the issue for this. And another thing that you could do in here is you could try to restart your phone or log in and log out onto your Monopoly Go app game. So that might sometimes fix the issue. And if it still persists, you need to go ahead and try to uninstall the app and then try to head back onto App Store to reinstall it again. So that might fix the issue onto your Monopoly Go not loading. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.